welcome to Spring Travels. My name is Lenta and I'm currently taking a gap year and traveling the world. Right now I am in Cebu, but in this video you will see how me and my mom spend our time in El Nido. So to get to El Nido, we took a ferry from Coron, which was 5 hours long, and it was pretty bumpy, got a little bit seasick, and then we got to our hostel with a tuk-tuk from the port. And our hostel, we stayed in Nido Tourist Inn, which is like a hotel, and our room was $30 a night. Very good deal, and we even had our own bathroom, which is so nice. And yeah. Good morning from El Nido. Tour starts in like 30 minutes. We're doing another island hopping tour, but we're gonna see caves today, which is cool, different from last time. To catch up on what we did yesterday. Yesterday we went and we worked at a cafe. I did some stuff for college. Mom just worked. Then afterwards, we got massages, and it was like the best massage in the entire world. We definitely want to go again. And then dinner. That was it, what we did yesterday. And now, tour today. Let's go. From the boat tour, and we're on our way to get some dinner. And then what are we gonna do after dinner?
Massage.
Another
again.
massage again.
Just too good.
So that's the plan. We rented scooters for today, and we are gonna take them to go to the waterfalls. And then we're gonna go to a beach. That's the plan for today.